Hey everyone, welcome back. If bunq says update required and won't let you continue, here's how to fix it. First, open the App Store or your Google Play Store, search for bunq, and if you see an update button, tap it immediately. Make sure your phone has enough storage. Go to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage, and make sure that your phone has enough storage space for the update. If storage is low, delete unused app for files. Then check your internet connection to ensure the update can download properly. If update button does not appear, restart your phone and check the store again. Sometimes logging out of your app store account and logging back in can refresh available updates, so try doing that as well. If the issue continues, long press on the bunq app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store again and reinstall it from there. That's how to fix the bunq app update required error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.